Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jennifer Pascua Tolentino. I'm 39 years old. My height is 155 centimeters. My weight is 59 kilograms. We don't have any tattoo. I'm married with 3 children, 18, 19, and 1-year-old, 6 months. I'm a high school graduate. I have a TESDA domestic work training. I have experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, 6 months. I have experience in Saudi Arabia like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing. I am willing to take care of newborn babies, children 1-year-old and above, healthy, disabled, elderly. Take care of pets, small and big dogs and cats. I'm willing to share room with other family member or another helper. I hope, ma'am, you heard me. I will assure you. I will work you for you as long as you want. Thank you.